Good morning to all. I am Sanket Kumar with my friend Arpit Raj Singh going to present our project which is based on a smart farming system with IoT and named TerraLink.
I will explain why we have chosen this specific project. Indian farmers are struggling with a lot of problems, especially increase in barren land and the decrease in yield, which have costed them a lot of money. And because of this specific reason, many of the farmers have committed suicide. Many countries have taken prevention for this, but our India has not taken a correct prevention for this. That's why, as an Indian citizen, we have decided to take in prevention and made this project. My friend will explain it thoroughly.
Let's look on to the project. This is Node MCU 8622 which is the brain of the complete system. This is taking the power from the laptop. In real life, when we will implement this on ground, we can also take solar panels, hydroelectricity projects and etc for the power sources. Now let's look on to the project deeply. This project is consist of various of modern tools like soil moisture sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, PIR sensor, drip irrigation system, solar panel which will detect the intensity of the light, Arduino Uno and relay module which works on the pump specifically. And let's see on the project. This is soil moisture sensor which is detecting the soil moisture amount in the soil. Like if I will remove the whole soil from the moisture from the sensor, the moisture value on the display goes 0, and if I put this again, the value of moisture here is 50 and 50 here also. Let's look on to other components. This is temperature and humidity sensor which detect the temperature and humidity of outside. This is PIR sensor which will detect the motion, or we can say unusual motion in the crop. Like as we know that sometime in our villages some animals enters the crop and destroy it thoroughly. Now for this is PIR sensor. Like the motion due to wind is uniform, thorough, but the motion due to an animal attack is destroying and in a pattern. So it will detect it and send the notification on our device. This is on from here, and this is a button which generally control the pump. This is manual also and control from our devices also, like phone or laptop. Like if we on this, we can see the water flowing through the pipes. This water is getting distributed in the crop from here, and this is generally for the drip irrigation system. This is rainwater sensor. Like it will detect the rainfall, and if our crops, if the device predict that rainfall is coming, we can stop the irrigation of our system. This is Arduino Uno, which is also doing the work of energy supplying, and this also contains some codes that is helping the display to showing this all values. Now this project is beneficial, efficient and can help our country by various methods. So thank you.